friend recently told me, she said, you have issues. What do you think? Well, today we're going to talk about that.
I didn't plan for this, it just kind of happened. Started with a few plants, then I kept finding more I liked, and now they're everywhere. These loose ones here on the patio, I'll have to figure this out soon because summer's coming. And like I said before, I've got plants everywhere. Here in the patio. Some are doing really good. Some in the back corner struggling a little bit. And some I'm still trying to figure out. And honestly, I'm still learning. It's not really about how many plants you have, it's where you put them. And I'm finding that out pretty quick. You move one, it does great. Move another one, not so much. So now I'm just kind of testing everything. Stick around to the end. I have a project I've been working on. It's not 100% complete, but I want to show you the before and after. Most of these indoor plants you're seeing now were bought on clearance, so I'm nursing them back to health. And they're not doing too bad. And here's the before and after of that project I was telling you about. The job is not complete, but it's a big difference. I will say this space has changed. It feels better, looks better, it makes you actually want to be out here. If you enjoyed seeing my problem, like, subscribe, and make a comment. Follow along as the story grows. I'll see you soon.